Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really nice example of a 2015 Honda CB500F. Twin 500cc motorcycle, that's twin cylinder that is, but really excellent bike for starting. It's an A2 license bike, no limiting needed. You'll be able to go straight through and do your A2 license on this. It's got a few little nice extras on it. There's a few little marks, but nothing really too major. And overall, a really nice bike for someone to ride and take away. Tires done, oil service, everything like that has been done as of recent. And we'll go over the condition of the bike now, as well as showing you those extras itself. We've got tinted lenses on the indicators here at the rear. 2015 bike. You can see the tire and tread depth on the rear here is really good. Exhaust is an aftermarket exhaust. You can see a little bit of aging on the alloy itself throughout. Plastics are in good condition. Right hand side of the engine, you can see the oil there nice and clear. RNG crash bungs on left and right hand side as well. Tank up here is in nice condition with the CB500 tank grip. Up over the top there's a little small, oh no, that's just a piece of dust, sorry. We've got a selection of keys with it. We've got original Honda key and a few other bits and bobs, which I think were back box keys and stuff, which you can have fitted. I'll just keep that on me now. Rear kind of holes for a back box. Rear seat in good condition. Main seat good condition as well. You've got heated grips, mirrors. We have a gear indicator selector, which is good for learners. Really nice to see. We have some sort of a mount here for your phone. We've got aftermarket levers on it. We've got a tinted front visor. Smoked headlight or indicator lenses at the front as well. CB500 radiator protector here. There's the disc. And the front wheel here, you can see a little bit of stone chipping. Pirelli front tyre in very nice condition. Front mudguard here has a little few tiny things which look like kind of stone scrapes. Same with the front shocks. But other than that, I think it has an LED front headlamp. ABS model as well. So overall, a perfect bike for someone looking to get into an A2, have a good commuter, reliable thing. And that's it for the visual oversight of the bike. Let's go for a spin. Okay, we're on to the CB500F. Beautiful bike, beautiful day today. It's 20 odd degrees, perfect riding conditions. Ideally should be in my sports gloves here, but I've lent them out to a friend. As I said, it's a perfect A2 bike, very popular with learner groups because it just fits into the category so well. They're super easy to ride. They've got a low seat height. They actually sound quite good. They look alright. They're reliable. All those things have positives for it. This one has all the little extras on it as well, which I mean certainly makes it a bike that could be used all year round. You can hear the exhaust, the aftermarket exhaust. Those mirrors are quite good actually. Does want to get up and go, but it's overall fairly easy to handle. It feels very light overall, and that's with half a tank of fuel in it as well. It's not empty like most of our bikes are when we get them traded in. But very easy to keep at low speed here. Doesn't mind being any of those. You can see your gear indicator selector there, or gear indicator I should just say, telling you what gear you're in, which is very helpful if you're just starting out on bikes. I will say, I mean, even me, at the start I struggled to go, what gear am I in? You have that thought in your head. I will say I much prefer sports or kind of summer gloves overall, even in the winter. I'll take cold hands over these big bulky wintry gloves any day. You just have a lot more feeling and control, I feel, over the throttle when you have a thinner, lighter glove. That's just my outtake on it. But overall, stopping, starting, brakes at the front seem really good. We have ABS. You have ABS on this model, which is nice. I'll just use the back brake here as well. I can feel the ABS coming on there actually. You can probably hear it. But all very good. Nothing to alert you about. Suspension feels fine. No clunks or knocks or overspringiness or anything along those lines. All very simple. Sounds pretty good too. And yeah, overall, I mean, nothing really to say wrong about this bike. It's got everything you kind of want. The modern fuel injection, ABS, and at a price that we're going to be putting it up at is pretty reasonable, I think, for what you're getting. And someone will be very happy with the bike. But if you have liked the video up until now, if you could leave a like, comment, and finally subscribe. We're nearly at 12,000 subscribers when we make this video, which is pretty nice. But yeah, false neutral. I'm going to turn in left here. We're going to do the electrics. I'll just do the horn before we stop. There we go. Hasn't been used in a while, that's for sure. I think there's an LED front headlamp. I'll just turn on the hazards here so we can see everything working all at once. Yeah, we've got that LED front headlamp. The two front indicators working here. We've got our rear brake light working, or rear light I guess working, two indicators. I'll try show that the brake light is working. You can maybe see the hand turning red a little bit, so that's working there. Gear indicator working correctly. We'll check high beam. There we go. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but the high beam is working as well. So that's really been it for the Honda CB500F 2015 model, with a few little extras on it. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook, Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.